Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Max, I'm a day trader, and on this channel I will be uploading my trading recaps as well as other videos related to trading. In the future videos, I plan to reveal my trading strategy, show you all the data that I've gathered in the past several months. I will be uploading simpler conversational videos about my trading journey, trading psychology, tools and platforms I use on the daily basis. So if this sounds like something that can be of interest to you, please consider subscribing to this channel. So let's get to it. Today is January 20th, 2022. Today we received US jobless claims. So we were expecting 225,000 and we received 286,000. So a negative surprise. However, the indices seem to be liking it. Markets actually moved up slightly since the numbers came out. And I think we are entering a point when the markets like negative economic data because it means that the Fed will not be raising rates, or at least not as much, because the Fed is going to look at employment and say, we can't raise rates. Also, China's central bank cut key lending rates, so the Chinese sector is up today. Baba is up over 6% pre-market. Baidu up to 5.5% pre-market. Looking at the indices, we're below short-term moving averages. Also, Nasdaq is right around 200 SMA. So investors and swing traders are probably going to be eyeing this area. The Russell looks the ugliest. It has broken this key support level. So the small caps are being hit the hardest. If we look at AMC is in a strong downtrend. GME, same picture. If we look at the Dow looks similar to Nasdaq, right around 200 SMA. SPY is the strongest of the bunch. So in terms of my watch list, I'm watching the Chinese tech stocks. Baba and Baidu are the ones that I'm familiar with the most. I trade them most often, and it's a part of my methodology. I like trading the same names because it allows me to get to know them better, the way they move, the way they react around levels. And I've actually not been so successful with trading Chinese stocks. However, today they have a catalyst. So I'm also watching AMD. AMD had a downgrade today. It's the only red name out of my entire watch list. Only Pfizer is the other one. It's down 0.35%, but I'm not watching Pfizer today. Also, AMD is below all the short-term moving averages. So AMD could be a potential short today, even though I'm not good at shorting. I'm much better at going long. However, when you come in and everything is up, everything is gapping up, it's harder to trade long. At least that's what I found. Facebook, another name that I watch every day. I don't trade it a lot recently, but I just know that it moves a lot. In this uptrend, I've been trading Facebook very actively. However, recently it's been stuck in this ugly range between about 300 and 350. I'm also watching Nvidia. Again, Nvidia below all short-term moving averages and has a lot of room to the downside. The next key support is at about 230. This stock, of course, had an unbelievable run. And finally, my favorite, Tesla. Tesla looks a bit stronger than Nvidia. It's still holding right below short-term moving averages. By the way, I'm using 9 EMA, 21 EMA, 50 SMA, and 200 SMA. I use exponential moving averages for more short-term, for determining the short-term trend. If the price is above short-term moving averages, I am much more bullish on breakout setups. And I also look at 50 and 200 SMA just because I know that those are one of the most popular moving averages among traders. to see what other traders are seeing. So my goal today, to be patient, not to rush long. We're gapping up a lot. Of course, if Tesla presents a nice opening range breakout, I will take it. However, Nvidia and Facebook and especially AMD do not look like a good longs. It looks like I would be fighting a trend because look on Nvidia, we're downtrending on the hourly chart, on the daily chart, so it's tough. Tesla, on the other hand, it's a bit more range bound, and I know that Tesla moves quite a bit in both directions at the open, so I just gotta catch those moves. My ideal day would be just taking one trade, one winner, and walking away. This is my philosophy of trading, and that's what allowed me to get more and more consistent results, and that is quitting while I'm ahead. This way I'm protecting myself from myself. Also, BABA looks like it has an important level here at about 140, so I'll be watching this level today. We're actually gapping up and we're right below this 140, so I'm curious to see whether we will break it or it will act as a resistance. I also think that today, on all names other than Tesla, I will not be taking breakout trades, only reversals, only bear traps, except maybe on Baba and Baidu. If I see strength, relative strength in both of them, it might be worth taking them long on breakouts as well. So it's 5 minutes until the open. I will see you in a bit. Okay, so the first trade I took was on Tesla. I was watching it for 1 minute opening range breakout. Even though the sentiment overall was bearish, for me the setup has worked really well last year. So I'm really biased towards this setup, especially on Tesla. So I went market long at the break over 1 minute opening range, and it immediately started losing steam. Usually I like when the trade goes my way immediately with some follow through. At this point I already knew that I'm much more likely to take a loser on this one. However, I'm still willing to give it some wiggle room. So I got out of one share with just 30-second profit. Placed the second order at $1,011.44, but it didn't fill me, and Tesla started pulling back pretty violently. So I decided to bail. Probably could have gotten out earlier, but I'm still glad I got out. So this was the first trade, a loser. And at this point, what I should have done is I should have forbid myself from taking more half-day breakout trades, because in this market, I need to focus on my reversal setups. My breakout setups work great, but we need to be in a bullish environment. We need to have some catalysts. Otherwise, so far, I've been just getting caught into bull traps. The second trade I took was also on Tesla. I call this setup high of day breakout with 1 minute flag. And again, it worked really well on Tesla last year. Obviously, in certain scenarios, you cannot take this setup on any day. And I got out right there for a loss. Overall, I'm down $38.53. Not a great day, a bad day actually. 2 red trades in a row. However, I did not overtrade, I did not revenge trade. I took the L and I left. And I'm glad that I did. And I advise to everyone to have that threshold after which you're not trading anymore, because revenge trading is dangerous. It will potentially blow up your account. And as you can see, right after I've gotten shaken out, Tesla actually ended up pushing higher, but I'm still glad I didn't chase. So I'm gonna fast forward a little bit. Yes, you see some nice push, a good scalpable move. Okay, so I took 2 trades today, both losers on Tesla. And here's how my month looks so far. Just 3 trading days, 2 red days, 1 tiny green day. Overall, just 6 trades and just 1 winner. The results are not great, but it's part of trading. I still have confidence in my strategy. In a separate video, I will reveal to you my trading results from last year. I'll show you all the data, all the statistics, as well as the actual setups that I have been taking and tracking. So if you don't want to miss it, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.